Order, Senator Cherargei. Order, Senator Cherargei. Order. Senator Cherargei. Senator Cherargei, kindly, I call you to order. Senator Cherargei, have your seat, please. Kindly take your seat. Senator Cherargei, kindly take your seat. Take your seat. I will handle that. Senator Cherargei, take your seat. Senator Cherargei, you take your seat or I'll throw you out. Senator Cherargei. Senator Cherargei, take your seat. Take your seat. I'll handle that. I will handle that. Take your seat. Senator Cherargei, take your seat. I will handle your concerns. Take your seat. I will handle your concerns. Just take your seat. Senator Cherargei. Senator Cherargei, take your seat. Take your seat. Sergeant at arms. Sergeant at arms. Sergeant at arms. Senator Eddy, take your seat. Senator Cherargei, you take your seat or I'll order you to leave the chamber. Senator Cherargei. Senator Eddy, the chair is in control. Senator Eddy, kindly keep your cool. Senator Cherargei. Senator Cherargei, having prosecuted your concern, kindly take your seat. Senator Cherargei, for the very last time, I'm asking you to take your seat. Senator Cherargei, you're out of order. Kindly proceed to leave the chamber. Sergeant at arms, escort the member out of the chamber. Pardon? I order you to leave the chamber for the remainder of this session, for the remainder of today's sitting. Sergeant at arms, kindly use the necessary force under Standing Order 126 to get the senator out. Order, order, honorable senators. Order, 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 honorable senators. Senator Mazayo, Senator Mazayo, your utterances are totally out of order. You cannot call a colleague a kid. All the senators seated here are honorable senators. Kindly proceed to withdraw that statement, failure to which I will ask you to leave the chamber. Withdraw and apologize.
Asante Bwana Spika. Bwana Spika, nasikitika kwa matamshi niliyosema kwa ndugu yangu Cherargei. Ni bahati mbaya na mimi nataka kuyachukua niyaregeshe. Asante sana Bwana Spika.
Sergeant at Arms, kindly ring the division bell for 5 minutes. For just 2 minutes.
Well, the